Hi Abir, sorry to bother you. I have a question for you.
Okay, what's up?
I've been having a problem with my computer. I know you're an engineer, so I thought you might be able to help me.
I see. What's the problem?
I have a file that I can't open for some reason.
What type of file is it?
It's a Word document I've been working on. I need to finish it by tomorrow.
Were you able to open it before on the computer you're using now?
Yes, I was working on it last night and everything was fine, but this morning I couldn't open the file.
Do you think your computer might have a virus?
No, I checked and there weren't any.
I'm not sure what's wrong. It's possible. Email the file to me and I'll see if I can get it to open.
Okay, I'll do that when I get home. Are you going to be around tonight?
Yes, yeah, I'll be home after 8 p.m. Send it to me when you get a chance and I'll call you later.
Do you have your own computer?
Yes, I owned a personal laptop when I was in the university.
How often do you use the computer?
Almost every day. I can't work without a computer.
Have you ever joined any computer class?
Yes, years ago. I learned about Microsoft Word and Excel.
What do you use the computer for?
You know, I'm an accountant, so managing business records would be much easier for me using a computer.
What are some advantages of using the computer?
With a computer connected to the internet, we can shop, pay bills, or do bank transactions online. Listening to music, watching movies are even more convenient.
Do you use other high-tech devices besides computers?
Yes, apart from a computer, I also use a smartphone.
Hi Mamoon. Are you working on your webpage now?
No, I'm still waiting for you to send me that image file for the homepage.
You mean you didn't get it? I sent it to you over an hour ago.
Let me check. It's going to take a second cause I have to start up my computer.
Okay. Did you get it?
1 second. I just have to open my web browser and check my Hotmail account.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. I got it.
How do I find the webpage? I tried to search for it on Yahoo but I couldn't find it.
Don't use Yahoo. Use Google.
I tried that also and it didn't work.
If you go to Google and search for my name, you should be able to find it.
Okay. Let me try that. I see it now.
How are you, my friend?
Alhamdulillah, you?
I am also well by the grace of Allah.
I called you yesterday but you didn't receive. Why?
I was busy with online activities.
What such activities were you doing?
I was searching for information about my admission.
Would you please explain?
Sure, I was searching for information regarding scholarship in the foreign universities.
Is there another thing you can do with that?
Yes, I can communicate with my friends through social media also.
Really?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
Welcome.